In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock objects in Microsoft Whiteboard. If you've ever built a layout, a template, or a background, and then nudged something out of place by accident, this feature will save you a ton of time. Locking keeps items fixed on the canvas so they can't be moved, resized, or edited until you choose to unlock them. Let's start by locking a single object. Click to select the item you want to keep in place. This could be a shape, a sticky note, an image, or a text box. Once it's selected, open the context menu. On a mouse or trackpad, right-click the object. On touch devices, a long press works, and you can also tap the three dots that appear on the object's toolbar. From that menu, choose Lock. As soon as you do, the object becomes fixed in position. You might see a small lock icon indicating it's protected. Try dragging it. Nothing should move, and you won't be able to resize or change its content until it's unlocked. If you're arranging a group of items and want them all fixed together, you can lock multiple objects at once. Hold the Control key while clicking each item to select them, then open the context menu and choose Lock. On touch or pen, you can first select multiple items using the selection tool or a lasso gesture, then lock them the same way. This is great for headers, section dividers, or background graphics that need to stay consistent while you work elsewhere on the board. When you're ready to make changes, unlocking is just as simple. Click to select the locked item so it's highlighted. Open the context menu again and choose Unlock. The object is now fully editable. You can move it, resize it, or modify its content just like before. If you've locked several things and want to clear all locks in one go, you can unlock everything at once. Right-click on an empty area of the canvas to open the board-level menu and choose Unlock All. This releases every locked item across the board, which is especially helpful if you've finished a brainstorming session and want to reorganize your layout without hunting for individual locks. A quick tip as you build: lock background images or framing elements first, then add interactive content on top. That way, collaborators can focus on the pieces meant to be moved while your structure stays intact. With these simple actions, lock, unlock, and unlock all, you'll keep your whiteboard clean, stable, and ready for productive collaboration.